This project, what we're going to do is take an existing paneling wall, we're remodeling the house, and this is going to be used as an accent wall, and we're going to be using recycled wood to cover the accent wall. Okay, what we're going to be using is wood from pallets, the outside wood. As you can see, I've already started taking them apart. The way that I've found, the best way that I've found to take these apart is with a reciprocating saw or a sawzall. And the way that you want to do this, you take a sawzall and you cut down like so. Do that going down both sides, and then the middle part or the outside part will come out, and then you'll end up with a like this. Okay, one thing I have found that'll save you time and money, especially on saw blades, is once you get the two ends cut off, you can take and just pull the middle boards out. You might have to go through and pull some nails out, but it's faster than cutting through all the middle nails. And like I said, it'll definitely save you on saw blades. And it usually doesn't break the outer board; it just leaves nails in it. It'll break the inside board. Your next step after you get pallets, you can get pallets for free about anywhere. People throw them away, give them away. So once you get the pallets, then you need to take the planks off of it. Okay, this is one pallet. Okay, this is about close to 3 feet laid already. If you can't tell, I went small. Starting out with the larger, thicker, and then smaller, thicker, smaller. I'm going to try to do that all the way up. It's going up pretty easy. I'm trying to hit as much studs as I can. I'm using brads, 1 1/4 inch. Like you see, we have paneling behind it. I would recommend, though, if you have brighter paneling behind it, to darken it down with the paint. But I have enough wood tonight, possibly to go up probably 5 or 6 feet, so I'll bring you along the way. As you can see right here, one thing that I've done is notch it out a little bit to make the gaps not as bad. I've done it again right here. It's becoming, if you do it right here, then it's going to throw it off on up and on up. But if you gradually taper it off, then a little bit of cracks like that don't look bad. But I don't want really, really big cracks, so I'm going to try to get it leveled down on up. One thing that you can do is take a handsaw and put a depth on it of whatever the depth of your wood is, and then level it off as a cut, but I'm not going to do that. Okay, the way I'm doing the trim pieces is I'm just taking extra pieces that I have left over, shorter ones. I'm doing the same, big, small, big, small. But what I'm doing is I'll just take like that. Actually, that one right there will work. Like that. Just marking the line as so, cutting it, and then stapling it up. Okay, day 2 of the build. Last night I finished some edge work, but all in all, I lack quite a bit. That whole side wall, and a couple feet up the top, and then all the way over that way. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I ran out of pallets last night. I still have some short boards left. So far this has taken me right at 5 pallets to do this much. So that's quite a bit of coverage for just 5 pallets. I went and got some more last night, so I'm going to go ahead and start breaking them down. I'm sore as can be from doing that yesterday, so it's going to be a slow start. Okay, what I've done is put pieces of scrap board up to the studs. So what I can do, if you can see, a large board won't cover it, and instead of ripping a piece to make it go in, I'm just going to put like a crown, like an edge on it, and then staple it to the existing boards that I put up there. Okay, quick update. I got all the walls up to there, all the way across, and over to the brick, and all the way down. The only thing that I have left to do, as you can tell, we've done the big border all the way around. The only thing I have left to do is to go up right here, all the way across, and down that side. And then I'll be done with this project. Okay, I'm done, so I'll give a quick pan. We have it coming all the way up. We have it going across. It stops right there. And this is what, back up and show you the entire wall. Looks like so. And we have it going all the way across and down over there. There's going to be hardwood floors in the floor here. Then we're going to put a table. I'm going to build a table that goes all the way across. But this is all out of shipping pallets. I ran through, let's see here, this took right around 9 shipping pallets. I might do a video later once we get all the floors down to show you what it looks like. But that's pretty much about it. As always, thanks for watching.